I'm here to report the one of the multi-core organizational computer, which is the Intel Core i9 12900. So the Intel Core i9 12900 is a high-end CPU for desktops based on the Alder Lake architecture, and it was first announced in November 2021 and offers 8 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores, built using a hybrid core architecture with the Intel 7 process. This 12th generation desktop processor 16 cores combine the performance of 8 efficient cores and 8 2.4 GHz performance cores. The low voltage efficient cores handle background tasks for multitasking, while the performance cores provide speed for demanding applications and games. So, performance. The performance cores or P cores support hyper-threading, leading to 24 threads that can be processed at once. The performance cores can clock up with up to 5.1 GHz. The efficiency cores can clock up with up to 3.8 GHz. All cores can use 30 MB smart cache. The integrated memory controller supports up to 128 GB DDR5 with 4800 MTs dual channel. The thread director in hardware can support the operating system to decide which thread to use on the performance or efficiency cores for the best performance. For AI task, the CPU also integrates GNA 3.0 and DL Boost, most likely only using AVX2. Quick Sync in version 8 and the same as in the Rocket Lake CPUs, and supports MPEG to AVC, VC1 decode, JPEG, VP8 decode, VP9, HEVC, and AVI decode in hardware. The integrated graphics card is based on the XE architecture and called Intel UHD Graphics 770. It clocks between 300 and 1.55 GHz. The CPU is rated at 65 watts base power and 302 watt maximum turbo power. It is manufactured in 10nm called Intel 7 process at Intel. So this is the over summarized performance of the Intel Core i9. So the number of cores is 16, and the number of threads is 24, and in terms of base clock speed, its performance core is 2.4 GHz and its efficiency core is 1.8 GHz. In terms of maximum boost speed, total of 5.1 GHz, and its performance core turbo is 5 GHz and the efficiency core turbo is 3.8 GHz, and its cache L3 cache can handle 30 MB. So, and that's all. Thank you.
Good day everyone, I am your second presenter, Yuji Pelez Kalyamat, and the second model is Intel Core i7 12700. An Intel Core i7 is the fastest version of the Intel processor for consumer and computers and devices. Like the Intel Core i5, the Core i7 is embedded with Intel Turbo Boost technology. The Intel Core i7 is available in 2 to 6 core varieties and can support up to 12 different threads simultaneously. Performance. Its processor clock speed ranges from 1.70 GHz up to 3.90 GHz, with cache memory from 4 to 12 MB. Intel Core i7 thermal design power, or TDP, goes from 130 watts TDP to as low as 15 watts TDP. Similar to some other Core i series processors, the Intel Core i7 supports error correction code, or ECC memory. Intel Platform Protection Security and Intel OS Guards. These features provide embedded security abilities for protecting BIOS, enabling secure boot and protection against attacks. So sa CPU specifications, where the number of cores has 12, and the max turbo frequency is 4.90 gigahertz. And the cache memory is 25 MB Intel Smart Cache. And the total L2 cache is 12 MB. Processor base power is 65 watts and maximum turbo power is 180 watts. Memory specifications. Max memory size it is 128 gigabytes, and it depends on memory type. And for the memory types, up to DDR5 4800 MTs and up to DDR4 3200 MTs. And the max number of memory channels is 2, and the max memory bandwidth is 76.8 gigabytes. And the ECC memory supported it is supported with ECC memory. That will be all. Thank you.